Welcome to Easy to Learn with Jyoti channel. Today we'll explore many things about artificial intelligence with Aniket. So let's start the video.
Greetings to everybody watching this video where I, Aniket Kumar, take you through an introduction to AI. Topics covered are Introduction to AI, why AI is gaining relevance, evolution of AI, Turing test, experiencing AI in real-life chatbots, IBM Watson, AI in India, data science, NLP, computer vision, machine learning, and deep learning. Introduction to AI. Artificial intelligence (AI) is intelligence demonstrated by machines. They are often described as machines that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The rise of AI can be demonstrated with the example of the rising number of Alexas, Siris, and Google Assistants in our homes. Why AI is gaining relevance? AI is not a new thing in market. This term was coined by Sir John McCarthy in 1956. But it seems like a thing which is a lot more common in the 21st century. Why? Because of requirement for an increase in computational power, need for complex and accurate algorithms, data is being generated at an exponential rate. Evolution of AI. As AI is gaining popularity, so is the competition between countries to be the best AI hub in the world. India is the current third largest country in AI research output behind China and the USA. AI is evolving rapidly and taking over various human functions, and it is getting better day after day. Turing test. Now, as AI is evolving, we need a benchmark to decide which AI system is good enough to be launched. There is an examination of these devices called the Turing test, named after its inventor Alan Turing. The Turing test, originally called the imitation game by Alan Turing in 1950, is a test of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. Experiencing AI in real-life chatbots. How often we ask Alexa and Siri, even Google Assistant, to remind us of our meetings, messages and mails. This is an example of AI that we experience in our daily life. In these chatbots, these are now very frequently used in websites such as IRCTC, leading study platforms, etc. IBM Watson, a big leap in AI. Watson is a question answering computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language, developed in IBM's DQA project by a research team led by principal investigator David Ferrucchi. Watson was named after IBM's founder and first CEO, industrialist Thomas J. Watson. The computer system was initially developed to answer questions on the quiz show Jeopardy, and in 2011, the Watson computer system competed on Jeopardy and won the first place prize of $1 million. In February 2013, IBM announced that Watson software system's first commercial application would be for utilization management decisions in lung cancer treatment at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, New York City, in conjunction with WellPoint. AI in India. India has been rising and is one of the top nations researching and developing and promoting artificial intelligence. A lot of initiatives are taken by the government to promote artificial intelligence. Some of them being AI Portal, National Research Foundation's AI segment, promoting AI in schools, extensive use in the form of chatbots in various sites like IRCTC, mygovernment.in, etc. Data science, NLP and computer vision. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human language. In particular, how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs, and take actions or make recommendations based on that information. Machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is a part of a broader family of machine learning methods based on artificial neural networks with representation learning. Learning can be supervised, semi-supervised, or unsupervised. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. It is seen as a part of artificial intelligence. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.